60 marks. Okay, 20 questions are from verbal ability, 20 questions are from quantitative aptitude, 20 questions are from reasoning. Okay, yeah. What you have to do, yeah, there will be 9 p.m. I will be sharing one, not 9 a.m. 9 p.m. की बात हो रही है. Night 9 p.m. Okay, yeah. Huh. I know lunch, dinner time and all is there, but you have to manage anyhow, guys. Okay, because if we think for like that, ना अगर हम लोग हर एक के बारे में सोचते रहेंगे तो we can't conduct. There is no free slot. Okay, so we have to conduct because yeah, if the dinner problem is there, complete finish your dinner from 8 to 9. That's it. Okay, you can't complain about that. Okay, 9 p.m. you will be having the test. I will start this link at 9 p.m. Okay, after this 9 p.m. you have to submit till 10 p.m. The test link will be active for only 1 hour. Okay, the test link will be active for only 1 hour. That's it. If you joined at 9:30, you will be having only 30 minutes. That's it. The test link will not be active after 10 p.m. Okay. Okay, so this is the top because I'm trying to like conduct a test alternate days. Alternate days पे आपके test होंगे. अगर कल okay, and one more thing, guys. Tomorrow 9 p.m. Tomorrow 9 p.m. you will be having test. That's it. Okay. One more thing, guys. Uh, do not use Google. Do not use Google. I'm repeating this statement. There are 400 students. Okay, I'm telling you guys, do not use Google. Okay, if you use Google, मुझे समझ आएगा. Okay, definitely I will find it out. If you use Google, definitely I will find it out. Okay, whatever the marks you get, that is not the question. Okay, कितने भी marks मिले उससे हमें कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Just go through that test and try to solve as much questions as possible. Okay, yeah, you will be having 60 minutes for 60 questions. Okay, it will be sufficient time. Yeah, it will be sufficient for time. So my advice is for you guys, first try to solve uh, first 15 minutes, try to solve verbal ability. Okay, then 20 minutes reasoning, and remaining 25 minutes use for quantitative aptitude, because quantitative aptitude you have to calculate the things. Okay, so yeah, and do not stuck in a particular question. कोई एक question में stuck मत होना. If you are not finding it, just let it be. Go to the next question. That's it. Okay, do not use Google. I am telling you guys, if I find anyone using Google, I will just block you. That's it. Next session में आपको test नहीं मिलेगा. That's it. Okay. Okay, one more. Oh, now we will start. Okay. What do you have? Maya, in morning session we have taken something else, right? Oh, so why are you not attending this one? Because I'm taking time distance. If you are okay with this, okay, you are done with this, then you can leave. No problem. Okay, guys. Yeah, I'm just giving you some concepts. Speed. What is speed, guys? Yeah, speed formula. Distance upon time. Distance upon time. So the distance is measured in kilometers, meter, or whatever. Time is measured in second, hour, whatever. Okay, so what is the unit for speed? Speed is kilometer per hour or meter per second. If you want to find out, if you have to if I give you something in the kilometer per hour and you have to find out meter per second. Okay, so how to find out? 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter, and 1 hour is equals to how many seconds, guys? 1 hour is equals to how many seconds? 3600 seconds. So just cancel it, you will get it 5 by 18. So when you have to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second, you have to multiply by 5 by 18. Okay, when you have to convert meter per second to kilometer per hour, you have to multiply by 18 by 5. Are you guys getting this? Is it simple? Yeah. Yeah. Now I'll give you one table and try to remember this table. This will be very useful for you. This will reduce your time. Okay. This table will reduce your time. Definitely this will reduce your time, guys. Okay. Yeah. Here I'm writing it in kilometer per hour, and you have to give me the answer for meter per second. Just tell me. 18 kilometer per hour. What is in a meter per second, guys? 5. Okay. Yeah, 36 kilometer per hour. 10. Yeah, 36 into 5 by 18. 18 ones are 18 twos are. Okay, similarly 54 kilometers per hour. 15 meter per second. Yes or no? So if you know the 18 ka table, here the values are in the 5 ka table. Yes or no? Kilometer per hour. If it is mentioned in 18 ka table, your value will be on. Easy to understand. Now 72 kilometer per hour. 20, 90 kilometer per hour. 25, 108 kilometer per hour. That's 50, 40 per second. Okay, is it easy to understand? Okay. Why I give you these values? Why I give you only these values? Because most of the time, around 80 to 90% you will get these values. इसके अलावा कुछ नहीं आएगा. Around 80 to 90% times आपके क्वेश्चन में यही वैल्यू दिए जाएंगे. Okay, once you like आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे you will get it. Yeah, the conversion formula is here. When you have to convert from kilometer per hour to meter per second, you have to multiply by 5 by 18. If you are converting from meter per second to kilometer per hour, you have to multiply by 18 by 5. That's it. Okay, we will share this PPT with you guys, but still, now just tell me what is 9 kilometer per hour means. What is 9 kilometer per hour? 2.5 meter per second. Now, if I take it 9 kilometer per hour, 2.5 meter per second. Can you tell me what is 27 kilometer per hour means? Yeah, here plus 9. So here it will be plus 2.5. Simple. Okay, similarly 45 kilometer per hour. 12.5. And so this will be 63 kilometer per hour. That will be equals to 17.5. So whatever the values in between you have, you can solve it. So you don't have to, okay, just give me a second, guys. Just give me a second. Hello, sir. Okay, sorry guys. Yeah. So yeah, it was screen is visible, right? Okay. Is it visible now? Screen? Okay. One more thing is, okay. So those who are facing the problem, okay. Agar if you guys face the same problem in the next grooming session, what you have to do it? Okay, we are just solving that technical problem. So do not panic and do not message in the group. Okay, first understand this, guys. Do not panic and do not put random messages in the group, sir, it is blocked or something. Okay, just like refresh the page, log out, and again log in. Okay, yeah. So this is because we are adding it in a batch code. Okay, we have mentioned that batch code over there. So those who are not attending it regularly, they will get blocked directly. Okay, so this is what happening, guys. So what you have to do it, we are just removing that thing from this batch. Like you have to do it the same thing. आपको सेम लिंक पे ही लॉग इन करना है, नथिंग टू वरी अबाउट. ओके, अगर ब्लॉक हुआ तो डोंट पैनिक. दैट्स इट. इसके आगे वो नहीं होगा मोस्ट प्रोबेबली बिकॉज वी विल रिमूव दैट थिंग. ओके, जो भी वो सेटिंग है वी विल रिमूव दैट सेटिंग सो दैट यू विल नॉट गेट लाइक ब्लॉक्ड एंड एवरीथिंग. Okay, is it clear now? Okay, so now we will start this thing. Okay, kilometer per hour to meter per second. So you convert it. Okay, these are the conversions. Okay, Is it clear to everyone? If I ask you something like this, a person is covering a distance of 600 meters, okay, 600 meters in 2 minutes. 600 meters in 2 minutes. What is his speed in? What is his speed in kilometer per hour? We have the same in the table. It has to be 7. Yeah. Tell me guys, what will be in meter per second and what is in a kilometer per hour? What is in kilometer per hour? Fast. Reply. 10880. What about others? Why the replies are not there? Now, what is speed, guys? This is simple. 600 divided by 2 minutes. 2 minutes means 60 into seconds. This is meter second. How much it is? 60, 60, 0, and it is 10. 10 divided by 2 is 5 meter per second. What is 5 meter per second in kilometer per hour? 18 kilometer per hour. Are you guys getting this? Are you guys getting this fast? Okay. Now, if I ask you, a person is traveling the speed, okay. He covers the distance of 4 kilometers. He covers the distance of 4 kilometers in uh, 15 minutes. Okay, 4 kilometers in 15 minutes. What is the speed in kilometer per hour? Fast, tell me fast. 4 kilometers in 15 minutes. What is the speed in kilometer per hour? These are basic questions. Yeah. Yeah. So this is basically 4 divided by 15, but 15 isn't given in what minutes. So we have to convert that into hours. So we will divide this 15 minutes by 60 because 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. Okay, so now the 16 will go up. So 4 divided by 15 into 60. So your answer will be 4 4s are 16. Or simply you just multiply 4 over here because 15 4s are 60 होता है. You wanted to find out for per hour. 15 मिनट में अगर 4 है तो 60 मिनट में कितना होगा 3 किलोमीटर. Simple logic you can apply. Okay. Hope this is clear to you guys. Okay. Now I want to should get the right answer. Okay. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि you guys are getting some different answer. Okay. So one person is covering a distance of like 24 kilometers in not 24 32 kilometers in 48 minutes. What is the speed in kilometer per hour? Now speed should be there. Yeah. Yeah, check your internet connection, guys. If you guys are 48 into this 60 will be there. 12 fours are 12 fives are 4 ones are 4 eights are 8 fives are 40, guys. Are you guys getting this, everyone? Is it understand? Now, if I give you something like this, what is 2 minute, 30, sorry, 2 hours, 30 minutes means 2.5 hours or 2.3 hours? Option A, option B. Tell me first. Yeah. Tell me 2 minutes means decimal. I want it in decimal case. Or just place it like 2 hours, 12 minutes. So I can write it like this. Okay. Yes or no? 12 minutes can be written in like पूरा hour में conversion करना है. So 12 divided by 60 you will do it. 1 divided by 5. So 2 complete 1 by 5 you can write, or 11 by 5 you can write it. Okay, anything. Okay, because this will you are going to use it. Now just tell me what is 2 hours 45 minutes means in mixed fraction as well as, okay, it just tell me in improper fraction like this. This is mixed fraction. This is improper fraction. Yeah, 2 complete 3 by 4. 45 by 60, so this will be 3 by 4. So this will be 11 by 4. Are you guys getting this? These are the basic things, but there you are going to use those things. Yeah. If a person is traveling the speed of 16 kilometer per hour and he has to travel a distance of 80 kilometers, in what time he will cover that distance? Okay, 16 kilometer per hour and he have to cover the distance of 80 kilometers. Simple as. Very good. कोई दिक्कत है इसमें? Yeah, because time is equals to, now you are thinking like formula. Formula, if you want it, like formula will be distance upon speed. Okay, but if you thinking like आपको formula भी use करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. It is a common sense. 1 hour में 16 kilometers, 80 kilometers के लिए 18 divided by 16, that is 5 hours. Simple as it is. Okay, if I give you the speed like this, 20 kilometer per hour, and I have to cover the distance of 90 kilometers, can you tell me what time we will require? Yeah, 4.5 hours or 4 hours 30 minutes. Easy. Now, is it easy, guys? My speed is 40 kilometer per hour and I have to cover a distance of 130 kilometer. What time I'll get, like what time is required to cover a distance of 130 kilometers? No, tell me this, like ऐसे बताओ. 4 hours 30 minutes जो बोला है ना यहाँ पे, ऐसे क्वेश्चन आंसर दिया जाएगा. 3.25 नहीं आएगा. Okay, some people are answering now. Yeah. 3 hours 10 minutes, 3 hours 25 minutes. Okay. 3 hours 20 minutes now. 3.2. Now you will get it like 130 divided by 40. That's it. This is 3 complete 1 by 4. What is 1 by 4 means? Just multiply this with 60. You will get answer 15 minutes. 1 by 4 का मतलब कितना होता है? 15 minutes guys. 1 by 4 hour कितना होता है? 15 minutes. 1/3 hour मतलब कितना होता है फास्ट? 1/3 hours. 1/3 hours is 20 minutes. 1/5 hours means कितना होता है? 12 minutes. Understand this thing, guys. This is very important. Is it clear to everyone? The speed is 5 kilometer per hour. Speed is 5 kilometer per hour. Okay, and he has to travel a distance of 18 kilometers. What time it will require to cover this distance? Again, some people are going to giving answer. Maya, Amol, do not put answer in 3.6. Decimal point, I don't want answer. I want answer in hour and minute. Okay, Anand, is it 3 hours and 10 minutes? Some people are 48 minutes. Some people are saying, okay. This is 18 divided by 5 days. So this is 3 complete, 3 by 5. Multiply 3 by 5 into 60. 5 ones are 5 twos are 5 12. 12 fives are 60. So 12 threes are 36. So your answer is 3 hours 36 minutes. Are you guys getting this? Those who are getting the different answer, minutes, last minute, 3 hours, 5 minutes, 6 minutes, always get this value. Because these are simple things that you miss the answer just because you don't fraction. Okay, fraction की वजह से you miss the marks. That's Anjali, 2.6. Okay, my voice is clear to everybody, right? Is it breaking? Okay, because here 3 by 5 hours is there, ना? So वो minute में convert करने हैं आपको, तो you will multiply by 60, right? So 5 ones are 5 twelves are 12 threes are 36 minutes. Simple. Still it is breaking. Now, what we have learned is speed is equals to distance upon time. Distance is equals to speed into time, and time is equals to distance upon speed. So these are the three formulae. If I keep distance constant, d is equals to constant. If distance is constant, your speed is inversely proportional to time. And this is the crucial part. Now you will convert the question, like kuch bhi question rahega. So you, if the time is given, you can find the ratio of the time is given. Now you can find out the ratio of the speeds. Okay, these are the crucial things, guys. Okay, you have to understand these things. We will discuss it like further. जब भी question आएगा, we will discuss it. If the distance is constant, speed is inversely proportional to time. That's why s1 upon s2 is t2 upon t1. If my time is constant, if time is constant, okay, how distance and speed are related? Directly proportional. So d1 upon d2 is equals to s1 upon s2. Okay, if distance okay, distance here taken it, speed is constant, speed is constant, time is directly proportional to distance. So time t1 upon t2 is equals to d1 upon d2. Okay, only speed and time both are inversely proportional. Are you guys getting this? Okay, I'll tell you where to use it. Don't worry. I'm just mentioning the topics. Just go through this. Okay. Okay. Then there is a concept of guys called as relative speed. This you are going to use it in the every question of like most of the questions of trains. Relative speed. Okay, you must have know this concept. It is very simple concept. What is relative speed? If two objects are approaching towards each other, two objects are moving towards each other. Okay, if there are two trains, okay, they are moving towards each other. What is their relative speed, guys? If first का speed है x and other का speed है y, what will be the relative speed, guys? Yeah, it will be x plus y. If two objects are or moving towards each other, that is moving in the opposite towards each other से अच्छा होगा moving in the opposite direction. Okay, two objects are moving in same direction. If they are moving in the same direction, what is their relative speed, guys? X minus. Okay, these are the simple ones. Hope you guys are writing this or taking this screenshots or whatever. Okay. There is one more concept of average speed. Okay, I'm just giving you the concepts. We will take problems from each topic. Average speed. So average speed is equals to total distance divided by total time. Okay. I'll give you one simple question, guys. I'll give you one simple question. Okay. Yeah. There is a person who completes the half part of a journey with the speed of 20 kilometer per hour and the remaining part of a journey with the speed of 30 kilometer per hour. What is his average speed? What is his average speed? Tell me, guys, faster. A person is there who completes the half part of a journey with the speed of 20 kilometer per hour and the remaining half part of a journey with the speed of 30 kilometer per hour. So what is the average speed, guys? Yeah, there are 531 people. Reply fast. Everybody reply fast in the chat box. Okay. Now everybody is saying 25. Nice. Now I'll tell you 25 is a wrong answer. Why I'll tell you. What is the speed, guys? What is the average speed? Average speed is equals to total distance divided by total time. What is the time taken? Okay, first of all, is there any distance given? Is there any distance given? No, right? So we will assume that distance. This is x, so this is also x. What is the time taken to complete the first half of the journey? What is the formula for time? What is the formula for time? Tell me this. Speed into distance. Wow. Speed upon distance, Ashwini. It is distance upon speed, guys. Check. distance that is 20 kilometers, sorry, distance that is x kilometers divided by speed is 20. Yes or no? What is the time taken to cover the remaining half part of a journey? Fast. X divided by 30. Are you guys getting this? So what is the total time? X by 20 plus x by 30. What is the total distance we have covered? What is the total distance? X plus x. What is the total distance we have covered? 2x. What is the total time? X divided by 20 plus x divided by 30. Can you guys solve this one? This is the simple algebra you have learned in the 10th standard. Yeah. Let's solve this one. Just tell me what is the answer you guys are getting. Somnath is saying 12. Pakka. So it is 2x, this LCM will be 60, so you have to multiply here 3, you have to multiply 2, so 3x plus 2x, so the 60 will go up, 2 into 60 into x divided by 5x, this x gets cancelled, 5 ones are, 5 12s are, 12 twos are, 24 kilometer per hour. So your average speed is guys 24 kilometer per hour, not 25 kilometer per hour. Are you guys getting this? Okay. So if I give you some questions, तो हर बार हमें ये नहीं करना है. What you have to do it? What you have to do it? I'll give you one more average speed formula. That is n into LCM divided by sum of multiple. Okay. What is that? What is n? What is LCM? What is sum of multiple? I'll tell you. How many speeds are given here? 20 and 30. Okay, just I'll write it 20 and 30. Okay, what is the LCM of 20 and 30? 60 is the LCM of 20 and 30. What should be the multiple of 20? 20 into 3 is 60, 30 into 2 is 60. Okay, so these two are the multiples. These two are the multiples. Now we will use the formula average speed. n how much, like n क्या होगा यहाँ पे 2, LCM 60 divided by sum of multiples 3 plus 2, that is 5. We went for the last step, yes or no? 5 ones are, 5 12s are, 12 twos are 24. Are you guys getting the answer easily? Is it clear to everyone? Can you guys solve any question if I give you? Just find it for like 20 kilometer and 40 kilometer. Half part of a journey he covers with the speed of 20 kilometer and the remaining part he covers with the speed of 40 kilometer per hour. What is the average speed? Total is 16. It can't be 16, right? Is it? Now, different answers are there. We have to check it. So 20, 40. What is LCM, guys? 40 is the LCM. It is 1, is 2 over here. So 2 into 40 divided by 3. So it is 26.66. 80 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3 twos are. Bache 20, that is 6.67. 26.67 is the right answer. Yeah. Everybody getting this? Okay, what is the value of n here? How many speeds are there? Two speeds are there. Okay, they might ask you question like this. He first one third part of a journey he covers with the speed of 10. The other one third part of a journey he covers with the speed of 20. And the remaining part he covers with the speed of 30. Then tell me what is the average speed? They can ask you this question also. First one third part, the other one third part, and the remaining part that will be also one third. Are you guys getting this? That time, what will be the number of speeds? 3. N will be 3. So your N, and again just find out 10, 20, 30. Take the LCM, find the multiples. 6, 3. What is it? 16.36363636. Whatever. Are you guys getting this now? Done with this? Now we will see some questions. Okay, we'll see some questions. Because you have this India base, right? And we have taken some questions in India base and stuff. Yeah, so this question, how many minutes does Mayank take to cover a distance of cover the distance of 400 meters if he runs at the speed of 20 kilometers? We want time. That's it. Okay. So now we have to solve this question. The answer is 400 divided by 20 kilometer per hour, and we have to find out time in minute. Okay, so we have to do what? Meter per hour. So what? 20 divided by 60 kilometer per minute. Are you guys getting this? If it is 20 kilometer per hour, so it should be 20 divided by 60 kilometer per minute. Yes or no? Okay. So now this one is a is 400. Okay, and this is again, okay, just a second. This is again in a kilometer. So you have to take it like 0.4 into, it will be 1.2. What is 1.2? 1.2 is nothing but 1 complete 1 by 5 minutes. Okay, so answer is E. 1 complete 1 by 5 minutes. Are you guys getting this? Everybody reply fast. Okay? Yeah. How? What now? I want answer first. Yeah, faster. Reply. The cyclists cover the distance of 750 in 2 minutes, 30 seconds. What is the speed in kilometer per hour? Fast, guys. Now, speed is important. So these are the basic questions. Okay, ऐसे कुछ नहीं आएंगे. Yeah, for your practice, I'm doing this. Okay, 750 divided by 2 minutes 30 seconds. मतलब कितने हुए? 150 seconds. So your speed will be 5 meter per second. Are you guys getting this? What does that mean? 18 kilometer per hour. 18 kilometer per hour is the right answer. Okay, now solve this one. What is the answer, guys, for this question? Read it. A boy travels from home to the college with the speed of 25 kilometer. Very good, Priyanka. Now, how you guys are solving this question? This I want to like. I'm very curious about this. What is your approach? Because in exam you want an answer. You have to choose one option. That's it. You don't have to write like whole passage or आपको कुछ पूरा steps नहीं करना है. You don't want to give like each and every step to the others. Yes or no? So how to solve this question? I'll tell you guys. Yeah, this is very simple question, guys. Now understand. Okay, what is the traditional way? I'll tell you what is the traditional way. We want a time. They have given you the time 5 hours, 48 minutes. I will write it like this. So 5 complete 4 by 5, or just I can write 29 by 5. Okay, and he is going with the speed of 25, so we'll consider this distance as x divided by 25, coming back with the speed of 4, so x divided by 4. So you will get it like, yeah, 100 is the LCM, this is 4x, this is 25x, so your answer is 29x divided by 100. So your this 29 gets cancelled. This 100 will go on this side. X is equals to 100 divided by 5, which is the answer 21. Okay. No need to solve all this question. Why I tell you? Okay. Just use the common sense, guys. क्या करना है? Most of the times you have to use the common sense. How to use the common sense? I'll tell you. Look at the options. What are the options we have? Okay, if I choose this 5 किलोमीटर, ओके, उसका स्पीड कितना है? देखो, जाते वक्त 25 किलोमीटर पर आवर, मतलब वो 1 घंटा भी नहीं लेगा. ओके, एंड आते वक्त 4 किलोमीटर पर आवर, सो इट विल टेक लाइक 1 आवर एंड सम मिनट्स. यस और नो? 4 किलोमीटर के हिसाब से 5 किलोमीटर कवर करना 1 आवर एंड समथिंग. ओके, 25 इट वोंट टेक लाइक 1 आवर ऑल्सो. ओके, सो आपका टोटल टाइम कितना होगा? 2 आवर्स से थोड़ा सा ज्यादा, और लेस देन 2 आवर्स. ओके, सो डेफिनेटली ए विल नॉट बी द राइट ऑप्शन. वैसे ही बी भी नहीं होगा, बिकॉज 10 मतलब 10 डिवाइडेड बाय 4 2.5 आवर्स, एंड यहाँ पे 25 डिवाइडेड बाय 10, सॉरी 10 डिवाइडेड बाय 25, वो भी ज्यादा टाइम नहीं होता, तो इट वोंट मैच विद दिस फिगर. If you talk about the 15, again this is like 3 hours and something, again less than 3 hours, like less than 1 hour. So 15 is not the right option. So only option left is 20. You can use the common sense, guys. हर बार आपको क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करना ही है ऐसा नहीं है. Most of the times you can use your common sense. Is it clear to everyone? Okay, just okay. Try to solve this question. Yeah, what should be the answer, guys? Are you guys getting this question, guys? Now tell me what to do with these people. Saurabh, Karthik, Pranay, Rahul, Baliram, Omkar, Navlesh, Sanket, Prathamesh, Abhishek, Yogesh, Siddharth. If you guys are like, your friend are there, okay, anybody is like friend is there, okay, ask them to attend the meeting. Okay, ये ऐसे करके नहीं चलेगा. If you join it and then you are living it, what does that mean? Just give me a second, guys. Just give me a second. starting point by his car and thus takes the total time of 6 hours and 45 minutes. He would gain 2 hours by driving both ways. What does that mean? Yeah, what is the answer, guys? Option B? Yeah, option B is the right answer. Very good, guys. So, okay. If Alok walks to the viewpoint and returns to the starting point by his car, it will take how much time? 6 hours and 45 minutes. 6 hours, 45 minutes. Okay, if he gone through the driving both ways, he would have been, okay, driving both ways. Okay, he gone like, by gone to the car and come back by the walk. We don't know. But he if total उसने ये किया तो he will take 4 hours 45 minutes. Yes or no? So for yeah. So once like for one like from A to B जाने के लिए कार को कितना टाइम लगेगा? 2 hours 22.5 minutes. Yes or no? For a car, it will take 2 hours and 22.5 minutes. Okay, so we'll just erase it like पूरा इसमें walk plus car था, उसमें से कार कितना है 2 hours 22.5 minutes and it is 6 hours 45 minutes. So it will take 4 hours and 22.5 hours for single walk. Single walk, it will take this much of time. So for going from A to B by walk and coming back from B to A, it will take 8 hours and 45 minutes. Is it clear to everyone? 8 hours and 45 minutes. Are you guys getting this? Okay. Yeah, solve this one. Fast. Now I want answer fast. Tell me the answer. Yeah, Ashwin, I'll get back to you. Just give me a moment. Like, uh, now, two buses start at the same time, Delhi to Agra, which are 30 kilometer apart towards each other. After what time they will cross each other? Leaving from Delhi and other one is leaving from Agra. They are leaving simultaneously. Try to understand this concept, guys. Okay, this is very important concept. There will be a number of questions on this concept also. Okay, now this like 38 kilometers and 37 kilometers per hour, and this is 37 kilometers per hour, whatever it is. Okay. There are two. Okay, there are two uh, cars moving from A to B and B to A. This is moving at 20 kilometer per hour. This is moving at 30 kilometer per hour. Okay, they are moving towards each other. Now tell me, in what time they will meet each other? In what time they will meet each other? The distance between them is 150 kilometers. Simple. It is very basic question. Yeah, you must have answered this question. Okay, okay, okay. So they will meet at some point, right? They will meet at some point. Now tell me guys, if they meet at some point, we will call that point as a C. So what is the distance of this point C from station A? What is the distance of a point C from station A? And what is the distance of a point C from station B? Okay, 60, this is 60 and this is 90. Okay, now guys, understand this, they are starting simultaneously. This is the most important condition. Okay, this is, they are starting simultaneously, then only you can find out and you can solve the other things. If they are starting simultaneously and they are meet, what is the relation between distance and the speed? Speed is directly proportional to the distance. So s1 upon s2 is equals to d1 upon d2. Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay, try to understand this. Okay, yeah, you got the answer. That is absolutely fine. But yeah, I'm telling you something. Okay, yeah. So what is the ratio of the speed? 20 divided by 30. S1 upon S2. 20 divided by 30. That is 2 is to 3. Okay. So what is the ratio of the distances? 2 is to 3. Are you guys getting this? This is D1, this is D2. And total distance they have given you how much? 150. Total distance they gave you how much? 150. Now, what is the distance between them? Tell me. If you are applying total ratio is 5, each ratio will be equals to 30. So what is the distance D1? 30 into 2, 60. 30 into 3, 90. If they ask you distance, if they ask you distance, you will directly find out. No need to find out the time. ओके आपको टाइम फाइंड आउट करने की कोई जरूरी नहीं है. You will just apply it on distance. This ratio of the speed, you will apply it on a distance. Are you guys getting this? I'll give you one question, then you will get it. Okay. If the speed of this is 15 kilometer per hour and here the speed is 25 kilometer per hour. Okay. Okay. The distance between them is 32 kilometer. Okay, they meet at a certain point called as C. A से B तक move हो रहा है and B से A तक move हो रहा है. Okay, at what point they will meet? At C, what is the distance of the C from point A? And what is the distance of a point C from point B? A से कितना होगा C का distance and B से कितना होगा, that you have to answer guys. Yeah, tell me. Now, if you apply the reverse, like pehle wala logic, then it will take a time, right? Because this 32 and here you will get 20, 40. So this is like 4 by 5 or something. Okay. So it will take a time. Very good. So what you will do, what is the ratio of the speeds? 15 is to 25. That is 5 threes are 5 fives are. So 3 is to 5. That is the ratio of the distances as well. Okay. Total distance कितना है 32. So total ratio कितने आए 8 ratio. 8 ratio are equivalent to 32. So each ratio कितने का होगा 4. So 4 threes are 12 and 4 fives are 20. Are you getting this? Okay. Yeah. Okay, I'll give you one more question that will clear your doubt. If you have any doubt, P and Q. If they are moving from P and Q, the speed is, here we will say that the speed is 14 kilometer per hour, and here the speed is 18 kilometer per hour. The distance between them is 48 kilometers. The distance between them is 48 kilometers. Now tell me what is the distance of a point R where they are meeting? Very good, Suraj. Yeah, everybody is getting now. Okay. Easy. Yeah, the ratio is 7 is to 9. Okay, ratio is 7 is to 9. Total 16. And here it is 48. So 16 threes are 48. So ratio of each ratio ka value hoga 3. So 7 threes are 21 and this is 27. Are you guys getting this now? So if they ask you about the distance, no need to find out time. Okay, you can just apply the ratio. Okay, yeah. Uh, yeah. For trains, guys, for trains, you are going to use the same. Okay, for trains, if this train has to cover a distance, okay, or pass the pole. If this train has to pass a pole, how much distance this train has to move, guys? First, apply, ask this question. How much distance, this length of a train? So distance has to be moved for to cross a, what we can say that this is a point object. Okay, point object. अगर कोई point object को cross करना है train को, okay, so how much distance it has to move? Length of a train. If the train has to cross completely cross the platform, this has to cover a distance of length of train, length of train plus length of platform. Okay, is it understanding, guys? अगर किसी ट्रेन को क्रॉस करना है, ओके, ट्रेन के प्रॉब्लम्स में आपको ऐसे कुछ दिया जाएगा. अगर कोई भी पॉइंट ऑब्जेक्ट जस्ट लाइक अ पर्सन इज देयर और अ पोल इज देयर, ओके, उसको अगर क्रॉस करना है, so you have to travel a distance of length of a train, and if you wanted to cross the pole, you have to travel a distance of length of train plus length of platform. Okay, if I give you something like this, a train is moving with the speed of 36 kilometer per hour. If the train is moving with the speed of 36 kilometer per hour and it crosses a pole, it crosses a pole in 15 minutes, sorry, 15 seconds. It crosses a pole in 15 seconds. What is the what is the length of train? What is the length of train? Tell me, guys. Very good, Sheetal. What about others? Very good, guys. So here the speed is 10 meter per second. Simple. Crosses the pole in 15 minutes, 15 seconds. So what is the distance it will cover? Distance is equals to speed, that is 10 into this. But this distance is nothing but the length of train, yes or no? Because pole is the point object. Yes or no? Okay. Is it clear to everyone? Reply fast. Now understand this. Pole is not movable. Okay. Now I am giving you something. Okay. There is a train of length 200 meter. Okay. Now this train is moving with the speed of this train is moving with the speed of I'll give you 72 kilometer per hour. 72 kilometer per hour. This man is stationary. This man is stationary, standing on a platform. Standing on a platform. Okay. Now tell me, guys, by in what time this train will cross this man? How much time it will take? What time it will take? दिस क्वेश्चन ना मैं फिर से बताता हूँ. एक ट्रेन है जो 200 मीटर का है, 72 किलोमीटर उसका स्पीड है, एंड देयर इज अ मैन हु इज स्टैंडिंग ऑन अ प्लेटफॉर्म. This train, in what time this train will cross this man? That's it. Simple question. Suraj, get it? Some people are giving. Yeah. What is the speed over here? 20 meter per second, and the length of the platform. Sorry, this this train is 200 meters, so the time will be equals to distance upon speed. How much distance it has to cover a man to cross a man? 200 meters, because the length of the train is that only. Okay, divided by speed, you will get 10 seconds. Okay. Now concentrate, guys. If the length, oh sorry, speed of the train, now the speed of the train is 50 kilometers per hour. Okay, and this person is moving, he is not stationary, he is moving with the speed of, the length of the train is 300 meters, and this person is moving in the opposite direction of the train with the speed of 4 kilometer per hour. Are you guys getting the question? I will repeat the question for you guys. This person is traveling in the opposite direction of the train with the speed of 4 kilometer per hour. Okay, वो run कर रहा है और या फिर walk कर रहा है. This train is moving with the speed of 50 kilometer per hour. Okay, the length of the train is 300 meters. So now tell me, guys, what time it will take to completely cross this man? Very good, very good, very good. Are you guys understanding this? Okay, are you guys understanding this? It is very simple question. So now it is like they are moving in the opposite direction. Again, relative speed is equals to 54 kilometer per hour. So that is nothing but 15 meter per second. That's why that chart is very important, guys. Okay, that chart is very important because you will get the answers from this only. Okay, now you have to find out the distance. Oh, sorry, it's time. Time is equals to distance, that is 300 divided by 50. So your answer, oh, sorry, 15. Your answer will be equals to 20 seconds. Okay, now this person is moving in the opposite direction, sorry, same direction with the train. Yeah, it is the train is moving with the speed of 40 kilometer per hour. This person is moving with the speed of 4 kilometer per hour in the same direction, the same length of a train. Now tell me, in what time this train will pass that person? Very good. If you notice guys, yeah, now you can solve this question like बहुत सारे बच्चे like 10 seconds के अंदर वो question solve कर रहे हैं, right? Yeah, so you need practice, that's it, nothing else guys. If you are in touch, yeah, you will solve these questions easily. So now the relative speed will be changed. Okay, that will be 36 kilometer per hour because 40 minus 4, same direction, 40 minus 4. That will be equals to 10 meter per second. So now time will be equals to 300 divided by 10, which is equals to 30 seconds. Are you guys getting this? Everybody? Okay, now concentrate guys. Now I'm asking you some like interesting question. There is a train of 100 meter. There is another train which is of 300 meter. Okay, uh, this train is moving with the speed of 60 kilometer per hour. This train is moving with the speed of 30 kilometer per hour. Now tell me, in what time they are moving in the opposite direction? They are moving in the opposite direction to each other. Now, in what time they will cross each other? In what time they will cross each other? Answer. Is it 16 or? Yeah, it is. Very good, Akash. Very good. Okay, okay. The question is, okay, in what time this faster train will cross this train, slower train? In what time this faster train will cross this slower train? कितने टाइम में क्रॉस करेगा? सिंपल, नाउ इट हैज टू ट्रैवल अ डिस्टेंस ऑफ 300 plus this 100. Yes or no? Okay, and what is the relative speed? Relative speed is 90 kilometer per hour. 18 fives are, so 5 fives are 25 meter per second. So this has to be divided by 25. So 400 divided by 25, you will get the answer 16. Is it clear to everyone? Easy. Okay. Yeah. I'll give you one more question, guys. There is a train. Okay. This is of 200 meter. And there is one more train of 400 meter. Hmm? Now this train has to there is a person who is watching this train. Okay, there is a person who is sitting in this train. They are moving in the opposite direction. The speed of this train, the 400 meter train, is uh, 30 kilometer per hour. Okay, and speed of this, this yeah. The speed of this train is 24 kilometer per hour. Okay. Now tell me, guys, in what time, this is train A, this is train B. In what time this train A will cross this man? In what time this train A will cross this man who is in distance of only length of train? तो यहाँ पे दूसरे ट्रेन का कुछ लेंथ नहीं आएगा. ओनली 300 मीटर हैज टू बी कवर्ड क्योंकि इस पर्सन को क्रॉस करना है, नथिंग एल्स. आर यू गाइस गेटिंग दिस? Okay, now the entire question you can solve it. Simple. 300 meter हमें क्रॉस करना है. Again we have to take care of the relative speed, because if this train is moving with the speed of 24 kilometer hour, kilometer per hour, this person is also moving with the same speed because he is inside that train. So relative speed is equal to 54 kilometer per hour. That is nothing but 15 meter per second. So that's it. Yeah. So time is equals to 300 divided by 15, which is equals to 20 seconds. Are you guys getting this? No, 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 no. आपका टाइम कहाँ से या इट डजंट डिपेंड ऑन द वेयर द पर्सन इज सिटिंग. एग्जैक्टली, इट विल नॉट डिपेंड. व्हाई आई टेल यू गाइस, बिकॉज हम लोग टाइम कहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे? व्हेन दिस ट्रेन जस्ट उसका जब इंजन यहाँ पे होगा ना, देन यू विल स्टार्ट काउंटिंग द टाइम. ओके, दिस इज दे आर एक्सपेक्टिंग. आप यहाँ से वो ट्रेन कहीं पे भी हो. ओके, या सो मोस्ट ऑफ यू थिंक लाइक दैट. ओके, इसलिए आपने यहाँ पे 150 लिया. ओके, गुड 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 थॉट, बट या जस्ट टेक केयर ऑफ दैट. अच्छा सोचा था. नहीं 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 राहुल, दैट नॉट इज द that won't be a correct answer, because you will consider the time when your engine will be here. वहां से आप टाइम कैलकुलेट करना स्टार्ट करोगे. ओके, या देन यू विल कैलकुलेट. क्लियर टू एवरीवन? आकाश, राहुल? Yeah, no problem. Cool, guys. Yeah, you guys are thinking at least. Yeah, that is the good sign. Okay, length of a bridge. Length of a bridge is 130 meters. 375. What about others? Sir, we are not getting the speeds. Speed is different, sir. 45 के लिए we have seen it. 5.5, right? It's 12.5. So 12.5 into, okay, first. What is speed? 45 kilometer per hour, that is 12.5 meter per second. Okay, so we'll get the distance. Distance is equal to speed into time, which is 12.5 into 30. So 125 3s are 375. But out of this 375, 130 is the length of breach. So what is the length of train? So distance is nothing but the length of train plus length of breach. So what is length of train? 375 minus 130. Your answer will be 245 meter. Is it easy? Yeah. Now you can solve it like in 30 seconds you are getting the answers. Okay? Yeah. Uh, there are two trains, guys. There are two trains, each of length 500 meters. Okay, each of length 500 meters. Is it clear? The last question is clear to everyone? Yeah, like we have very limited time. That's why I'm telling like thoda hurrying up. Okay. Yeah. So there are two trains of length 500 each, 500 meter each. Okay. They are running in the opposite directions. They are running in the opposite directions. Okay. Yeah. The speeds are S1 is equals to 45 kilometer per hour and S2 is equals to 30 kilometers per hour. Okay, there are two trains, each of length 30. Okay, just